Hey there everyone, this is Jessica from DomesticatedMe.com. If you're new to my channel, welcome, bienvenidos. My name is Jessica Flores and I am a beauty-obsessed, fashion-loving, DIY project-making Latina mom from New York City, and I blog and vlog at Domesticated Me. Today, I'm doing an entire face of makeup using new products. These are products that have either just been released or that I've had them but have never actually opened them or tried them out. So I'm really excited to open these products up in front of you and create a beautiful look. This is actually the look that I created, which I am in love with. So if you like this and want to see what I used, maybe see how a product that you've been interested in works on me, then let's get started. The first product I'm going to talk about is the Urban Decay Elements palette. They sent me this palette to try out and I am so excited because I've already seen it all over Instagram. I'm sure you have too. And it's gorgeous. Not surprising at all because it's Urban Decay. Urban Decay has been one of my absolute favorite brands for years and years. Since I've been into makeup, I've loved Urban Decay. They remain one of my favorites. Whenever they release a palette, I've been obsessed and in love with them. I wear them nonstop, so not surprised at all. As I mentioned, I created my eye look today using Urban Decay's Elements palette. It is a wonderful palette that I really recommend you check out. So if you want to see how I created this beautiful eye look that I'm wearing today, then just check out the description box below where I will link to the video. To finish off this eye look, I used Fenty Beauty's liquid liner. I really like this product. It's really well made. I love the pen form to it. If you'd like to see a dedicated video on liquid liners and some of my favorites and how they compare to other brands, then let me know in the comment section below. I'm also wearing a brand new pair of Sephora Collection House of Lashes lashes. I really love the way that this looks. Givenchy gifted me this Healthy Glow powder and I'm so excited to try it out. I've heard amazing things about it. This one is in the number 3. I believe it comes in 4 shades. This is the 3rd one. Their most popular shades are shade 2 and 3. 3 is a little bit darker, so it would probably be perfect for my skin tone. I have to show you this packaging. It's absolutely gorgeous. Now, one of the reasons why this has been a much talked about product is that it's not just a regular old bronzer. It is actually a pressed gel powder, which I didn't even know was a thing. But it's meant to sit lightly on your face to give you a beautiful natural glow, to make you look like you've been sitting in the sun. It doesn't have any like sparkle or anything like that. Just a real natural, beautiful glow. So again, this packaging is absolutely gorgeous. You have the Givenchy logo here in like a rose gold. It also says Givenchy on this side with the rose gold button, which is a stud. Absolutely gorgeous. So when you open it up, there is a nice sized mirror there, and then you take this off and there it is. Absolutely beautiful. So I'm going to take a big powder brush and pick up some of that product. And again, this goes, I mean, you can use it to sculpt a little bit, to do a little bit of contouring, but really it's beautiful to use all over the face to, again, make you look like you've been out in the sun. I love this. I love this so much because sometimes when we have texture on our skin, which I do because of my scars from my acne when I was pregnant and when I was younger, I have texture on my skin. And when you use bronzers that have all these sparkle and glitter and all that sort of stuff, it really shows that texture. So this is a nice way to add color to my skin, to make it look like I've been out in the sun, to bronze without really showcasing all of that texture. So I really love this product. I'm gonna use this a lot, especially now that we're hitting the fall. temperature and the sun's not going to be out as much, and I'm not going to be out on the beach or by the pool, so this is a nice way to keep some of that beautiful summer glow all year round. I completely forgot to clean up the area underneath with a little bit of concealer. Because I am trying out new products, I am going to be using my new concealer. This is by Nars. This is their Radiant Creamy Concealer. I'm going to apply it to a beauty blender. Actually, I'm going to apply it directly onto my face and then use the beauty blender to blend it out. This is a perfect time to remind you to get your color IQ checked at Sephora, because your color will change with every season. As you can see here, this concealer is just a little bit off, so I will get one that perfectly matches my under eye area. You know what? I'm going to use this opportunity to use something new for my brows as well. I received some brow goals, the 3-in-1 brow pencil powder and brush from Karity. They sent me several, but I'm going to use, you know what? I'm going to use hot cocoa. They do have a dark chocolate, but sometimes using these dark shades can just like, looks a little extreme. So I'm going to go with the lighter color, which is hot cocoa. So this has 3 parts. I'm going to use the first part, which is the pencil. It has a really neat triangular shape to it, which makes it handy for drawing in like individual lines and then filling in as well. It used to really annoy me that my brows are not shaped the same, but I then heard a while back that they don't have to be twins, they just have to be related. So my brows are sisters. They're not twins, but at least they are sisters. So you saw me use the second part, which is the spoolie, and then the third part here you can also use to fill in. It's looking a little red, huh? You know what? See, sometimes you just gotta try it. Clearly this really is a first impressions, first try video, because I haven't used any of these products. I haven't even swatched them. So you don't know how things are gonna work out. Because they're looking a little red, a little brownish red, I'm gonna go in with the dark chocolate and fix this. And it's an indie brand. I believe they are also vegan and cruelty-free. All of their products are vegan and cruelty-free, so if that's something that interests you, you should definitely check them out. At least, I love these. These are very good. And I want to try out their palette. They sent me a palette that had some gorgeous colors in it. And I'm not someone that plays with color a lot, but I need to. Let's move on. So for my cheeks, I'm going to use this. This is Pixi by Petra's Sheer Cheek Gel. This one is in the color Flushed. And I'll show you what it looks like. Oh, look at that. Wow, that looks intense. All right. Looks a little scary, but that's all right. Don't be afraid to play with makeup. It says it's sheer cheek gel, so it shouldn't be too intense. Kind of looks like blood. Kind of looks like food coloring too. All right, so I have a little bit on my finger, and I'm just gonna tap it onto my cheeks. Actually, I think I have used one of these before, but just not this color. It does feel like gel. It's kind of interesting. It's pretty. Oh, I like that. That's nice. See, and it really blends out very nicely. It's not intense. I was afraid of like getting patches. This blends like a dream. See, it's not even like that intense. I'm gonna apply a little more. Only because for me, for some reason, blushes just don't appear on my skin as intensely as I would like them to. They just kind of just, they're kind of there for like a few seconds, and then by the time I walk out of the door, it doesn't look like I'm wearing anything on my cheeks. So yeah, I love this. Look at that. Simple, easy, and the color's very pretty. Yeah, don't be afraid of these things. They work, and they're nice. Okay, so that was my cheeks. Moving on to my lips, I have a few lip pencils from NYX, several of them, all in like the mauvey pinky shade. I wanted to wait until I did my eyes. I wasn't sure what I was gonna do with the eyeshadow palette, so because I went with purples, I'm gonna go with a nice light nude lip. I'm going to use this by Pixi by Petra. Again, this is their matte luster lipstick. This is in the color Rose Naturel. So I'm gonna go with a complementary lip color here. Let's see, what should I use? This one would work really well with it. This one is a lip liner in the color Need Me. This is beautiful. I love NYX. I should probably talk about them way more often than I actually do on my channel because I've been a huge fan for years. Their products are really great quality and they're super affordable. I actually have a NYX store in my local mall now, so I should definitely go way more often. And if you're lucky enough to have a store near you, definitely visit, check them out. I also recommend their brushes. Their brushes are really, really good, and again, super affordable. All right, so now I'm going to apply that lipstick. Pixi is another brand that I really don't talk about enough. I need to. I always recommend them. I always talk about them, but I've never actually, I'm just realizing, never done a full face look using Pixi. So that is definitely coming your way on my channel. Definitely doing that soon. Oh my gosh, that's really pretty. Wow, look at that color. Oh my gosh, I'm so glad I decided to use this today. It's gorgeous. Oh, I'm gonna use this all the time. This is going right into my purse. So there you have it. Is this everything? No, oh my gosh, how could I forget? The glow. The glow. So today I'm going to be using one of the Becca highlighters that came in the Becca Glow Macaroon collection that is out now for the holidays at Sephora. I am so excited to have this. These are so adorable. They're so cute. They were packaged like little macaroons, like little desserts. And I'm going to take these all out now. And they are in the four gorgeous shades. You have Opal, which is a classic. Then you have your Rose Quartz, which is another great one. You have Vanilla Quartz, and then I'm gonna use this because I'm using purples. I think this one would be a very good one. Ever since I swatched this, I've been dying to try it. If you want to see swatches of all four, definitely check out the description box below. I will link to my haul from the Sephora holiday collection video that I did. I swatch all of them. They're gorgeous, but all right, I've been dying to use this. Oh my gosh, are you ready? And it has a little mirror too, so you can see. I love that. Oh my gosh. Do you see this? I swear, sometimes I feel like color doesn't show very well on my skin. You can see this. Oh my god, I love this look. I love everything that I used. If I had to pick, let's pick 3 favorites. If I had to pick 3 favorites out of all the products that I use, definitely have to include that Givenchy. This is spectacular. Love this. I am amazed. This is gonna be one of my forever favorites. Number 2 definitely has to go to Urban Decay's Elements palette, which does not surprise me. I've loved every single Urban Decay palette that I've tried, every single one of them. Urban Decay sent me Born to Run over the summer, and it's the only palette that I've been using, really. And before that, I was using Backtalk all the time. I still use Backtalk. So I will link to those below as well so you can check them out, but I've been obsessed with all of their palettes. So the fact that I'm in love with this, and I'm so excited to dig into some of these other colors, not surprising at all. And a third, if I had to pick a third favorite, oh, it's gotta go to the highlighter. It's gotta go to Becca. It does. This is just stunning, stunning, stunning. And you know what? I'm gonna pick a 4th because those are all kind of like mid to high range products. So if I had to go with another one, you know what? I'm gonna give it to NYX. NYX has some amazing, beautiful, high quality, great quality products, and they're so affordable, and they don't get the love that they deserve, especially for me. My fault, that I don't show them enough love. That lip liner, beautiful, and I can't wait to try some of these other ones. Alright, so here is my final look. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for trying out these products with me. Please, if you like it, please give me a thumbs up and share. And don't forget to comment down below. If you have any questions, comments, requests, just say hi. You guys know that I love to hear from you guys. Please subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and join my newsletter down in the link below, because I am pretty much gonna have a giveaway going on at all times. There's probably one up by the time this goes up. There's probably one which I'll try to link to below as well, but I'm gonna consistently do a giveaway back to back to back till the end of the year, maybe even longer. I'm trying to get my numbers up, guys. When I have a big giveaway going on. That's all I'll say. I have something really, really, really big planned, so just make sure that you're subscribed, make sure that you're following, make sure that you're telling your friends, asking your friends and family members to subscribe as well, because I have some good stuff planned. Click right here to watch my last video, or click down below to watch something else that you might be interested in. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned.